Hey y'all, KJ Simpson here with Caroline. We're at Bodies by Design Personal Training, and we have a 5-minute super high intensity cardio circuit using step box exercises. What you need for this one is a step box. This is a Reebok step. It comes with the risers, and you can also do this at home. You can have any stable piece of furniture, essentially. It could be a box like the one we have over here, and they actually sell what's called a plyo box over here as well. So lots of different ways of doing it. I do want to caution you though, if you're going to be using some sort of box, that you have to beware that you could really skin your shins. We've seen that happen before. We don't want that to happen to you. So really, this is the safest plastic type of step, and it's very, very stable that you could use. But without any further ado, let's get into this super high intensity cardio circuit using step box exercises. Caroline's going to demonstrate for us here today, starting off with exercise number 1 of 5. It's a simple step. The thing is with these step box exercises, along with a lot of different exercises, you can increase the intensity just by increasing the speed. So because this is a cardio-based exercise, if you want to get more cardio benefit out of it, you got to speed things up here. We're going to get into now a high knee step up. So simply alternating the legs and raising that knee as high as possible. Now I want Caroline to amp this up a little bit here and get the intensity cooked up, and we are going to get a bit of a jump on her foot, as you can see here, just to rise off of the step. Just make sure that you always land on the step. Again, these exercises can be a little dangerous. Okay, here we are at the halfway point. This is exercise number 3. This is the push-up. You can also do a modified push-up if the regular push-ups are just too difficult for you, so knees on the ground instead of feet and pushing up. So as you can see, nice linear line from her shoulders to her hips to her knees, and simply pushing up off of the step. This exercise allows our heart rate to come down slightly. You know, we call this interval training, where we can decrease our heart rate because we're going to ramp it up again with exercise number 4. Exercise number 4 is the mountain climber. So we just came off of that push-up position. Stay down there, bringing your knees into your chest. Now you can also increase the difficulty of this exercise by swinging outwards with your feet, okay? This basically increases the difficulty and the intensity of this particular exercise. Okay, we're here. This is exercise number 5. We're about to wrap up this 5-minute circuit. We've done 1 minute on each of these exercises. Now we're at the final one, and this is the in and out jump squats. Now, Caroline is doing them very slowly, very meticulously. If you've got bad knees, you're gonna wanna do them this way. But of course, we can turn up the volume, we can turn up the heat on this one. And as you can see, she's doing a jump squat here, and essentially in and out. Great for the outer thigh, great for the inner thigh, great to finish this cardiovascular, high intensity cardiovascular circuit using step box exercises. So as you know, we always leave you with a 30-day challenge. So Carol and I want to challenge you to do this first thing in the morning. Have your coffee, have your green tea, but first thing out of bed, I want you to do this 5-minute cardiovascular circuit. So it's 1 minute per exercise, and do it first thing in the morning. It's only 5 minutes, but because it's such a high intensity exercise, because you're doing it first thing in the morning, you're gonna get that long lasting calorie burn throughout the day. And if you don't make it into the gym that day, but that's okay, because you got that 5 minutes first thing in the morning. It works better than Java or coffee or whatever your thing is. Trust me on this. So that's your 30-day challenge. I want you to team up, buddy up with somebody, like, share, and comment on this video. Get started on that 30-day challenge. We're gonna cheer you on to the finish line. We'll see you there, and we'll give you one of these as you inspire to aspire.